Welcome to our video on supervision and instructional leadership. Have you ever wondered how effective supervision can transform teaching? It's essential for educators and leaders alike. Supervision is not just oversight, it's a nurturing process. It aims to enhance teaching quality and student learning. Effective models include clinical supervision, peer coaching, instructional rounds, and mentoring. Let's break each of these down. First, clinical supervision involves detailed observations and feedback. Teachers work closely with supervisors. It's about refining teaching skills through structured support. Next is peer coaching. Here, teachers collaborate with colleagues. They observe each other's classes and share insights. This builds trust and fosters a culture of growth. Now, let's discuss instructional rounds. This model encourages teams of educators to observe classrooms. They identify practices and discuss observations together. This approach promotes collective learning rather than individual assessment. Mentoring is another crucial model. Experienced teachers guide newer ones. Mentors offer support, share knowledge, and build confidence. This creates a cycle of ongoing professional development. But how do we differentiate between teacher evaluation and teacher development? Teacher evaluations focus on performance metrics. In contrast, teacher development emphasizes formative strategies. These help teachers grow and adapt over time. Next, let's explore classroom observation frameworks. These provide structured ways to assess teaching. Observations must be systematic and unbiased. Feedback conversations should follow to enhance effectiveness. These discussions should be constructive. They focus on strengths and areas for improvement. Conferences are another vital component. They allow for in-depth discussions about teaching practices. This is where teacher reflection turns into actionable strategies. Now, let's consider professional learning communities. Here, educators collaborate to improve their practices. They engage in collaborative inquiry, sharing strategies and seeking solutions together. An excellent example of this is examining student work as a team. Educators discuss student performance and identify improvement areas collectively. It fosters a collaborative environment focused on student success. In summary, effective supervision and instructional leadership are vital in education. Models like clinical supervision, peer coaching, and mentoring enhance teaching practices. Formative supervision strategies focus on growth, not just evaluation. Collaboration within professional learning communities leads to broader educational improvement. If you want to improve your supervision skills or your team's teaching practices, consider implementing these models. Don't wait. Start fostering a culture of continuous improvement today. Check out our resources in the description below to get started.